guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a review for you guys. It will be on the Menow Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I have mine in the shade number 32. I got this from Prettyangelshoppe. I will leave her links below. I think this is 120 pesos, but I will put the price in here because I am not sure. Product information will be below. So the lip gloss looks like this. Obviously, I have it on my lips right now. It doesn't look like a lip gloss. It's very freaking pigmented, but it is a lip gloss. Ganito yung packaging niya. Napaka-simple lang. Yung nakikita mo sa packaging niya, yun talaga yung actual na product kasi the packaging is transparent and meron siyang doe foot applicator. I'm pretty sure they have a lot of shades. I'm just not sure kung ilan talaga shades meron available. Without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys a clip of me applying this on the lips. Again guys, wala akong lip balm. Wait, ang bango na to ha. But I do apply lip balm every night before I go to sleep. I suck at describing scents, pero mabango siya. Wow! Feeling ko nag-set na siya. Hindi pa nga ako tapos mag-apply sa upper lip ko. Yung lower lip ko nag-set na. Meron siyang orangey undertone. As you guys saw, very pigmented. Kung titignan ko siya, feeling ko nag-set na siya. Pero I'm just gonna wait like maybe a minute before ko i-touch talaga yung upper at saka lower lip ko because I just don't wanna risk it. I actually like it. Very pigmented. Yung color payoff niya really on point. Yung amoy na naamoy ko from the packaging, hindi ko na siya naaamoy ngayon. If you're sensitive with lipstick scents, hindi mo naman siya maaamoy kapag nasa lips mo na siya. Na-touch ko accidentally yung upper at saka lower lip ko and meron siyang may pagkadikit na ganap. Like that. Pero hindi naman siya nagiging tsaka. Hindi naman nagte-transfer yung lip gloss from the lower lip to the upper lip. So, okay lang naman siya. Medyo tacky siya sa feeling sa lips. Maybe hindi pa siya as in 100% nag-set. This is definitely the most pigmented lip gloss I have ever tried. As in, kapag tinignan mo siya para siyang liquid lipstick, hindi siya lip gloss. That's what it feels like as well. And now, fully nag-set na siya, you guys. And it's been what? Less than a minute. Fully nag-set na siya. It also has an obvious matte finish to it. Nawala na yung tacky feeling niya. Okay na siya. I'm really liking it. Isang layer lang to ha. And ganito yung color payoff niya. So, bongga yung color payoff. It is now 10:31 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. So, it is 11:39 ng umaga right now. I haven't done anything on my lips, you guys, except for one thing. I touched my upper and lower lip. I was just looking at the mirror. So I was like, oh, my lips looks really nice. So ginanihan ko yung lips ko. And this is what happened to my lips. Hindi ko alam kung ganito ba talaga to. Kasi kanina, I was touching my upper and lower lip and okay naman siya. And after an hour, tinouch ko yung upper tsaka lower lip ko and ganito nangyari sa lips ko. I do not know. I haven't eaten yet. I don't know. It's just so freaking weird. So yeah, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na ganun yung nangyari. Please do let me know below if you have this lip gloss and if this happened to you. I will go ahead and retouch just that part right there. So yun, yung gitna lang talaga yung ni-retouch ko, you guys. It is now 12:56 ng hapon, katatapos ka lang mag-lunch. Nag-fade na yung lip gloss for the most part. And sobrang tsaka ng pagka-fade niya. Super uneven. Merong sauce sa kinain ko, so merong toyo. Toyo, dumikit dito sa lips ko. So merong mga brownish black something na ganap sa lips ko kasi nga dumikit yung sauce. Sobrang tsaka ng pagka-fade niya. Para siyang lip tattoo na hindi natanggal lang maayos. Sobrang nag-transfer din siya, lalo na kapag nabasa na siya. Like, you know, kapag umiinom ka, sobrang nag-transfer siya sa straw ko, nag-transfer siya sa spoon ko. Hindi ko na-test kanina if kiss-proof siya. I will go ahead and retouch. We'll see if I can retouch it easily though. Try ko lang na mag-add ng more layer to retouch. Pero kapag hindi nag-work, I will remove it. Wow! Actually, okay na okay siya i-retouch, you guys. Akala ko kasi mamumuumuo siya kapag nag-add ako ng bagong layer. Pero actually, hindi. It actually went on smoothly. Sobrang dali lang yung i-retouch. You do not have to remove the entire lip gloss on your lips. Just dab on the new layer and it will look fine. Now, I'm gonna wait for it to set and then we'll see then kung mangyayari ulit yung nangyari kanina. Yung alam mo yun, parang nag-tsaka siya nung tinouch ko yung upper tsaka lower lip ko. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes and then we'll test if it's kiss-proof. Guys, it's been 15 minutes and hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya nagsiset, which is like, what is going on? Kanina, sobrang dali niya nagset. As you guys can see, nakikita nyo pa rin na meron pa rin siyang gloss na ganap sa kanya. Unlike kanina na nag-mattify siya in less than 1 minute, tinouch ko ng konti yung upper tsaka lower lip ko kasi again, it's been 15 minutes. So, tinest ko siya and like siguro nag-set na siya. Hindi, nangyari ulit yung ganon. I don't like it. Parang konting mali ko lang, nagiging tsaka na siya. Matouch ko lang yung upper at saka lower lip ko, nagiging tsaka, magre-retouch na naman ako. I don't wanna keep wearing it kasi alam na din naman natin na after isang kainan, nagiging tsaka na siya. Test natin kung kiss-proof siya. Oh! Actually, it's not that bad at all. Meron siyang as in konting transfer lang. I'm pretty sure that's because, again, hindi pa siya fully nag-set. Yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya is very pigmented. The color payoff is on freaking fleek. Madali lang siya i-apply. Kiss-proof din siya. And also, madali din siyang retouch. Pero, marami siyang downsides. Hindi siya long-lasting. And you guys saw that. Ang tsaka niya kapag nag-fade na siya. And it's not something that you can spread. Like, you know, ginagawa ko lagi yung sinespread ko yung lipstick para maging even tingnan kahit na nag-fade na. You can't do that with this because you can't even touch your upper and lower lip hanggang sa as in fully nag-set na siya. For me, it's just a lot of work. After mo siyang i-retouch, it takes so long for it to completely set. That's something that we do naturally, yung pag-touch yung upper at saka lower lip mo. But with this lip gloss, I feel like you're not allowed to do that at all. The way na nag-fade siya sa lips ko reminds me so much of the Menow Kiss Proof lipstick. Though, mas madali itong i-retouch. Yung Kiss Proof kasi from the same brand, hindi ko siya nare-retouch ng ganun kadali. If i-compare ko siya sa Menow Kiss Proof ko, I would prefer this. Though, pareho silang tsaka for me. But you know, it's way better than the Menow Kiss Proof. It's matte din naman, magkapareho sila. Though, that one is like super matte. But this one, like, it's matte enough. It's fine. Pero, out of the 3 na na-review ko na yung Menow Kiss Proof, na-review ko na yung Menow True Lips Lip Liner, and then ito, mas nagustuhan ko ng bongga yung lip liners. Tapos, mura pa siya. Sobrang daming shades na pagpipilian. I will go ahead and remove this. I am pretty sure this is not gonna be easy to remove. I have a wet wipe right here. I'm pretty sure you cannot remove this easily with a dry napkin. That's why I'm using a wet wipe. It's all gone. So, yeah, that's it for my review, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to give this video a like. Please do subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye!